Now, let's add one small question. You can ask something simple, like, do you work nearby?
Okay. Do you work nearby?
Perfect. Always remember, we say nearby, one word.
Right. Hey, Clara. Good morning.
Good morning, Jack. You sound a little tired today. Everything okay?
Yes, I think so. I did not sleep very well. My neighbor was very noisy last night.
Oh no, that's annoying. Loud music?
Yes, very loud music. I wanted to say something, but I stayed quiet.
I can understand that. Sometimes it's hard to talk to people, especially when you are not sure what to say.
Exactly. I was thinking, what if I say something wrong? So I just waited.
That's very normal, Jack. Many people feel the same way, even native speakers.
Really? That makes me feel a little better already.
I'm glad. You know, moments like this happen a lot in daily life. Small moments, short conversations, nothing serious.
Yes, like with neighbors or people in the elevator.
Exactly. Or at work, or in a store, or when you are waiting somewhere.
I usually smile and then I escape.
That's one strategy, a very fast one.
A professional escape.
Well, today, maybe we can slow things down a little.
Slow sounds good.
But before we continue, I want to say something to everyone watching and listening with us today.
Yes.
If you enjoy learning English with real conversations like this, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other English learners.
Yes, do it. Let's learn together.
So, Jack, let me ask you something. When you meet someone and you don't know them very well, what do you usually talk about?
The weather?
Good answer. Anything else?
Maybe work? Or I ask, how are you? And then silence.
That silence can feel very long.
Yes, very long, like 5 hours.
That kind of short, simple conversation is called small talk.
Small talk, yes. Small, but very stressful.
Sometimes, yes, but the good news is small talk follows very simple patterns.
Patterns are good. They feel safe.
Exactly. So today, after talking about it naturally, we're going to practice how to have a small talk in English, step by step, slowly, and without pressure.
Okay, I feel a little nervous, but I'm ready.
Jock, before we start practicing, let's understand one important thing. Small talk is not about saying something smart or interesting. It is about being polite, friendly, and showing interest. Usually, it starts with something simple, then one short question, and maybe one small comment.
So, I do not need to be funny.
Not at all. Friendly is enough.
That's a relief.
Most small talk situations happen quickly. You don't plan them, so it helps to have a few simple phrases ready in your mind.
Prepared, but not robotic.
Exactly. Now let's start with the first step. Imagine you are waiting for the elevator and someone is standing next to you.
Okay, I am standing, I am waiting, I am nervous already.
That's normal. The first step is simply to open the conversation, very gently.
Like, hello?
Perfect. Or hi. After that, you can make a small comment about the situation.
The weather again?
The weather is always welcome. Let me give you an example. You say, "Hi, it's very hot today, isn't it?"
Okay, my turn?
Yes, try it.
Hi, it is very hot today, is it?
Good try. Just a small correction. We say, "isn't it?" with N''T.
Right. Hi, it is very hot today, isn't it?
Perfect. That sounded natural.
I survived the first sentence.
You did more than survive. You did well. Now, the second step is to continue just a little. Usually, the other person answers. Then you can respond briefly.
So I don't need a long story.
No, short is better. For example, the person says, "Yes, it is." You can say, "Yes, very warm this week."
Okay.
Now, let's add one small question. You can ask something simple, like, "Do you work nearby?"
Okay. Do you work nearby?
Perfect. Always remember, we say nearby, one word.
Right. I like this word, nearby. It feels friendly.
It does. Let's do a short role play. You are waiting for the elevator. I'm a stranger.
Okay. Deep breath. Hi, it's very hot today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Very hot.
Yes, very warm this week. Do you work nearby?
Yes, just around the corner.
Oh, nice.
That's it. That's already a complete small talk.
Really? That was short.
Exactly. Small talk is small for a reason.
I think I can do this again.
And you will. Very soon, we'll see how small talk works in a real situation with real people and a little pressure.
I feel ready, but not too confident.
That's the perfect level. All right, Jack. This is the moment. You don't need to be perfect, just be natural.
I feel ready, but also not ready at the same time.
That's normal, but let's do it.
Okay, I remember. Simple, friendly.
Oh, hi there.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
It's quite warm today, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is. Much warmer than yesterday.
Right. Yesterday was cooler. Today feels different.
Exactly. I wasn't expecting this heat so early.
Same here. I almost wore a jacket this morning. That would have been a mistake.
Yeah, definitely not a jacket day.
I see. So, do you live in this building too?
Yes, I do. I'm on the 4th floor.
Oh, nice. I'm on the 2nd floor.
Oh, that's convenient. Not too many stairs if the elevator stops working.
Exactly. That already happened once.
Oh, no, that's never fun.
No, but it was good exercise.
That's one way to see it.
By the way, my name is Jack.
Nice to meet you, Jack. I'm Daniel.
Nice to meet you too, Daniel.
So, are you heading to work?
Yes, I work nearby, actually.
Oh, really? Where do you work?
I work at a small design office, not far from here.
That sounds interesting. Design, like graphic design?
Yes, exactly. Mostly digital design.
Nice. Do you enjoy it?
I do. It can be stressful sometimes, but I like being creative.
That makes sense. Creative jobs can be intense.
Yes, but also satisfying.
I agree. I work in IT, so less creative, more technical.
I see. Still important work.
Thanks. Yeah, it keeps me busy.
So, do you usually start work early?
Most days, yes. I like to arrive before the rush.
Same here. Mornings are calmer.
Exactly. Fewer emails, fewer meetings.
That sounds perfect. What about you? Are you more a morning person or not really?
I'm becoming a morning person, slowly.
That's fair.
Before, mornings were very hard for me.
Coffee helps.
Oh, yes, coffee helps a lot.
Do you usually grab coffee before work?
Sometimes there's a cafe near my office.
I know that place. Good coffee.
Yes, and the staff is very friendly.
That always makes a difference.
Exactly. It feels nice to start the day with a smile.
I agree. By the way, how long have you lived here? Almost 3 years now. Oh, nice. Was it a big change?
Yes, very big. New place, new language, new habits.
I can imagine. That takes courage.
Thank you. I'm still learning, especially the language.
You're doing great, honestly.
That means a lot. Looks like we're almost there.
Yes, my floor is coming up. Same here.
Well, it was nice talking with you, Daniel.
You too, Jack. We should chat again sometime.
Of course, that would be nice.
Have a good day at work.
You too. Enjoy your day.
See you around. See you. That went well.
It really did.
I didn't panic and I didn't escape.
And you kept the conversation going naturally.
Yes, step by step.
Exactly like we practiced.
I feel more confident now.
You should. That was real small talk.
Small talk, but big progress.
Perfectly said. All right, Jack, before we wrap up, let's quickly look back at some of the useful words we used today.
Oh, I like this part. It helps everything stick.
You remember when you said quite warm?
Yes, that felt very natural.
Exactly. Quite warm means the temperature is high but not extreme.
So you'd say something like, "It's quite warm today. I don't need a jacket."
Perfect. That's exactly how people use it in small talk.
And I remember saying cooler, too.
Yes, cooler means a little less warm than before.
Like when I said, "Yesterday was cooler than today."
Right. Simple, natural, and very common. Oh, and you also used expecting.
Ah, yes, I said I wasn't expecting the heat.
Exactly. Expecting means you thought something would happen before it actually did.
So you could say, "I wasn't expecting so much traffic this morning."
That's a great everyday example.
There was also mistake when I talked about the jacket.
Yes, a mistake is something you do wrong.
Like wearing a jacket today would be a mistake.
Exactly. Very natural phrasing. Now, let's talk about exercise. You used it in a funny way.
Oh, right, the stairs.
Yes, exercise means physical activity that keeps you healthy.
So when I said, "At least it was good exercise," I meant something positive came out of it.
Exactly. That little positive twist sounds very natural.
I also remember creative when we talked about work.
Yes, creative describes work that uses ideas and imagination.
So you can say, "I like my job because it's creative."
That's a perfect real-life sentence. And then there was stressful.
Yeah, that word feels very real.
It does. Stressful means something makes you feel pressure or stress.
Like, my job can be stressful sometimes.
Exactly. Very honest small talk.
We also talked about mornings being calmer.
Yes, calmer means more quiet and relaxed.
So mornings are calmer before everyone arrives.
That's exactly how people describe it. Oh, and I liked when you said that makes a difference.
Ah, yes, I liked that phrase.
It means something changes the situation in a positive way.
So you could say, friendly people really make a difference.
Perfect usage. What about recently? I used that too.
You did. Recently means not long ago. Like, I moved here recently.
Exactly. Very useful for introductions. And then there's reassuring.
Oh, that one felt nice.
It is. Reassuring means something makes you feel calm or less worried.
So when I said that's reassuring, I meant it made me feel better.
Yes, and that's very natural small talk language.
I also remember originally.
Yes, originally means where something or someone comes from at first.
So where are you from originally?
Exactly. Very common and polite. And finally, you said confidence at the end.
Right. That felt important.
Confidence means believing in yourself.
Like, now I feel more confidence when I speak English.
That sentence alone is great progress. All right, viewers, let's quickly remember today's key words together. Quite warm, cooler, expecting, mistake, exercise, creative, stressful, calmer, make a difference, recently, reassuring, originally, and confidence.
Quite warm means it's hot but not too much. Cooler is a little less warm. Expecting is what you think will happen, and a mistake is something you do wrong.
Exercise is physical activity, creative describes imaginative work, and stressful means something puts pressure on you.
Calmer means more relaxed. Make a difference means something helps a lot, and recently means not long ago.
Reassuring helps you feel calm, originally is where you're from, and confidence is believing in yourself.
Viewers, now it's your turn. Try writing 3 to 5 sentences in the comments using these words.
Yes, use them to talk about your day, your work, or your neighborhood.
We really love reading your sentences. Don't worry about mistakes, that's how you learn.
And if you enjoyed practicing English with us today, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.
That way you won't miss the next conversation. We'll keep practicing together.
See you next time, viewers.
Bye everyone. Keep talking.